Hello, today we'll show you how to easily remove and reattach the AirPod cushions on Sennheiser Momentum 3 headphones. This video will be useful if you want to clean your headphones or replace the old AirPods. The link for the new replacement AirPods is in the video description. To remove the AirPods you will need a buttock knife or another thin tool to slide under the base of the AirPod. Then simply push the AirPod off the headphone frame. The AirPod is attached to the headphones with a plastic bracket. This bracket can be removed and reused with the new replacement AirPods if they don't come with one. It's important to place it correctly and not upside down. Put back the AirPods is quite simple. Place the pod on the headphone frame and press it until the bracket locks onto the frame. It really is that easy.